See, that's little shorter there. It's taking me to where I'm going to offload this wide load. I have a wide load on my deck right now. So wide, and it's about 124 inches. 104 inches wide. So it's taking me to the direction. We're already in the seaport of Bicanco right now in Quebec City. So I'm just going by him, following him at the back. So let's see how we do. I'm gonna see where he's taking me. He's trying to get to the open space that they can offload this load very easy. So the guy that put this load together is following me behind. The engineer that did the load is following me behind. So I think it's gonna be easy. The guy is trying to show me where we're gonna offload it. The guy said, "Follow me." I'm just following him, so long as it's not taking me to the sea. If it's taking me to the sea, I'm gonna stop somewhere though. I'm gonna follow him. Now he said I should wait. I'm waiting. See the way they are offloading it right now? Wow.